Do you guys know that there are new ways for you to be able to earn this right now from Poppo? Like you can even earn more than this on Poppo. This is just January and this is my balance on Poppo. January, this is my balance on Poppo. And there are new ways that Poppo have actually brought for you to be able to earn more money from Poppo, you understand? Now, this is the gist, right? If you are now co-hosting, if you are now a host on Poppo, which simply means you can now go live stream on Poppo, right? It simply means as a female especially, you are entitled to get your normal live stream tax coins, and then you're going to get extra 500 coins, okay? Just like this particular video that I'm displaying by this side here. So it simply means that if you're a female and you're not taking Poppo serious, you need to take Poppo serious, and that's the number one way, okay? And this is not also limiting you as a guy. For guys, they also have a lot of things that they do for them to be able to make money. And one of those things that I see guys do a lot when it comes to the Pink app or the Poppo live stream app this 2025 is for them to play game. When I mean play game, they play different type of game. They have the golden flower, they have the fruit routine, they have the lucky wheels. Like they have different type of games that they are playing for them to be able to make money out of it, you understand? And now another generous way you can make money on Poppo is by inviting people. When I mean inviting people, sharing your link to your families and friends and telling them that Poppo is an app that can actually, that is paying, not actually because it's, you can see that it's paying me already and it's also paying other people, and that they can also use your referral link to register on Poppo. Now, once they use your referral link to register on Poppo, you stand the chance of getting $14 per every invite, you understand? So just like this one that I woke up this morning and I saw this particular one and I was able to cash this $3 out even without me doing anything on Poppo. The same way you can also stand that opportunity to enjoy luxury or nothing. Now, the most important way that a lot of people are doing this 2025 now to get money out from Poppo live stream, especially if you're in any of this African country or if you're in any of these countries that I'm going to be showing you here, is by selling coins. By selling coins on Poppo, people are making 1,000, 3,000, 500, 100 USDT just by selling coins. Now, this is what they simply do. They simply use that their money, instead of using it to play games or instead of using it to gamble that they're not sure that they're going to win, they use it to buy coin from this particular website. And once they buy coins from this particular website, they go ahead to sell those coins. And once they are selling those coins, they are going to be making more profit. So you can see someone that is a host, that is on Poppo, that is hosting for a long period of time, is not even making up to $100. And someone that just starts selling coin, all of a sudden, the person start making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 USD, depends on how serious you are with your business. And the good part with selling of these coins is you are not only going to sell these coins on Poppo, you can also sell these coins on other platforms, and of which I'm going to be showing you everything. And you guys know there is no platform I will talk about if I don't talk about cocodp for players. Cocodp for players is specially designed to help you buy coins at the cheapest and the lowest rates, you understand? And the good part with cocodp for players is once you are buying coins, they are also going to be adding some jara to that coins for you, and then you can sell that coin. Remember, if you're buying coins from Poppo, the least amount you can buy coins for Poppo is $10, while the highest amount you can buy coins for Poppo is $200. Then if you use that $200 or that $10 to buy coins from cocodp for players, you'll be able to get a lot of profit compared to when you are not really sure that, oh, you're going to gamble or you're going to play game and then you're going to lose. Anyways, with that being said, let me show you guys how you can use cocodp for players, and trust me, you're going to like it. So the only thing you can do if you want to join is if you click on the link in the description or you click on the link in the comment section, you're going to see my link for cocodp for players, whereby you're going to click on that link and I'm going to show you all the procedures that you're going to follow. Now, if you're hearing Poppo live stream for the first time, all you need to do as well is to check the link in the description box. I'm going to put in my Poppo link there. Use my link and register. Let me know that Bible Shona I've registered, and let's get started into the business of making money this 2025. With that being said, let's get right into my screen record, and as always, I'll be attaching it here. It's all started, and if you click on the link, like I said, it will bring you to this interface where you're going to be seeing all of this interface like this. And the only thing that you can actually do is for you to sign up with your Google account, and once you sign up with your Google account, you are good to go. Okay, now the second thing you're going to do is to click on this country to be able to choose the particular country that you are. Now the beautiful part is if your country is not among those countries, then you don't have to worry. But right now, as you guys can see, I have been using Kenya because because I have a friend right there in Kenya, and since it was not in my country, which is Nigeria, as at that time, I was able to buy coins using my Kenya link, right? Now, since it's in my country, Nigeria, all I need to do is to click on Nigeria, and I will let this load as well. Once I let this load, automatically my country will change. But I'm going to do that in another video. Like, I'm going to change my country in that video. Let me just use this video and finish up this one. So now, if you check all of this country, you are able to pick your country, and then you are good to go. Now, if you come to the interface of cocodp for players, you're going to be seeing the voucher, you're going to be seeing life and lives, and you're going to see every other stuff that you're going to be seeing here. The good part I always love you is if you have any issue, you want to contact their customer support, feel free to contact their customer support, and please kindly take 2 minutes of your time to read all of this information here so that you can actually have an idea of what you are actually coming to this platform to do. Okay, now if you're going to use Poppo, for example, you click on Poppo because you can see there are other different platforms you can sell coins here, okay? Platforms like Star Maker, you can see Star Maker, you can see Bigo Live, you can see Imo, you can see Uplife, you can see Miko, but we're always concentrating or focusing on Poppo because we want you to start making money on Poppo, right? So now if you click on it, the most important thing for you to do is to copy your Poppo ID and paste it in this enter UID, exactly the way you're seeing my here, which is a 3422724. You can also use this ID to follow me on my Poppo accounts, okay, if you want to follow me. And now the next thing you should look out for is the packages that they have. So which of the packages do you want? You can see that for a 70,000 coins here, you're going to be having plus 13,000 coins, okay? And that's where all your gains are coming from. From a coin of 700,000 here, you're going to be having an extra coins of 170,000 as well. You can see it here. So you're going to go ahead and select. So let's assume I select this particular one, for example. And once I select it, it's going to show me the amount that I'm going to pay. So if you're using Nigeria, it's going to show you in Nigerian currency. So I'm going to be using the Nigerian currency in my next video. You understand? Because this one is already here. Now, if it shows you the amount that you're going to buy, it is not difficult at all. The only thing you need to do is to fill in your email address. And once you fill in your email address, the next thing for you to do is to make sure you read up all of these rules and regulations so that you will actually know what you are looking for. One thing that cocodp say is if your ID, which is your ID, your Poppo ID is not correct, you are liable to any mistake. They are not going to compensate you for any loss of funds. So ensure that this your ID that is here is 100% correct. You understand? And after checking, the next you're going to be checking out for is what means do you want to use and pay. So let's say, for example, I want to use mobile money and pay. I click on mobile money as well, and they're going to be giving you all the description and how you can do whatsoever you want to do here. You can take your time and read it, and then the next thing you're going to click on is to click on buy. And once you click on buy, like, it is not difficult at all. To buy coins is very simple. It is going to be credited to your Poppo live stream app accounts. You understand? Where you will have coins for you to be able to gamble and do other things. Now, what you are supposed to do with these coins is you are supposed to use these coins and start selling coins. Now, one person will ask me a question, how do I sell coins? One of the ways for you to sell coins is to tell your agency that you are that, please, so I am selling coins now on Poppo. So if you're looking for anybody that wants to buy coins, you can direct me. You can also be hosting people, which is by opening a party and telling people that, oh, you sell coins now. And once people start seeing that you are hosting them, you're always regular on your panel, definitely once they're looking for coins, they are going to contact you. You understand? And to make this coins business very easy for you, you have to leave everybody that wants to buy your coins, or every minute you're trying to tell them that you're selling coins, you have to leave them with your phone number, and then you are good to go. Like, this is not even difficult at all. Let me stop this, end this screen record. This is not even difficult at all for you to be able to sell coins, because once you buy here, it goes directly to your Poppo account to credit, and then anybody that want to buy, you just sell for them in bits. Or if you still want to use the cocodp platform to sell coins for them, you can just get their ID and be selling the coins here. So imagine someone said, oh, I need 3,000 coins, I need 4,000 coins, I need so amount of coins. Then you go ahead and put their ID here and buy these coins for them. Because to do this 2025, if you want to be making out here on cocodp, is follow them on their Facebook. On their Facebook, they have different activities that is being carried out, and every time they do giveaways, and you can get free coins, you can get free money, you can get free, like, there are different things that they do giveaway for here. And the beautiful part about their giveaway is they don't only do the giveaway that they will say, oh, it is related to one particular country. No, once you're following them on their Facebook, you'll get a chance to join their giveaway. And this is the beautiful part again I love about their giveaway. Their giveaway is simply, they might just tell you, oh, like this picture and drop a comment on this picture and comment the country that you are from. Just simple questions. Before you know, you are good to go. And you're making money on cocodp. You're making money on Poppo. Like, imagine you just making money on 2 platforms. You understand? And once you're done, you withdraw to your local bank account and then you thank me later. So if you have not followed them on their Facebook page, you are doing the wrong thing. Follow them on their Facebook page so that whenever activities are coming up, if I am you, Seth, you turn on the notification bell so that whenever activities are coming up, you'll be able to see those activities and then you'll be able to participate and make extra money to your pockets. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any question, leave it for me in the description box or in the comment section. Sorry, not the description box. I will be here to attend all of your questions. If you have not joined Poppo, like I said, my link is in the description. To every link that I've said, be it the Facebook link, for you to register cocodp for players, I will be leaving it as well in the comment section or in the description box. Feel free, and trust me, you're not going to be regretting this 2025. You're going to be making that same exact money that you have not made. Okay, anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Go